Jessica and welcome to the Lumi Stitch. This channel is about cross stitch. Today I'm gonna do a review of a painting fairy. And little sneak peek for you. This is how big this cross stitch is. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I am back with another unpacking real review. And this one I bought with my own money. This is Painting Fairy. I just wanna, do an honest review. I don't get paid for it. So I did a review in the one before video, and it was like in a vlog style video, but that was like in the middle. So this time I decided to do whole separate video. If you just want to watch how good this Painting Fairy cross stitch is, so I already opened it. And I bought this kit. It's called Romantic General Store. The reason I bought it is because here in Long Beach, California, we have so many jacaranda trees, and I believe this is a jacaranda trees, and they still blooming, but about a month ago or 3 weeks ago they were in a full swing of blooms. And I love those bright colors, and I love purple and pink colors, and I love this scenery, and I bought this one. So this one right here, let's see what color that is. When I open it, I'll find out what count that is. I don't remember because when I ordered it, it wasn't like just. So when I ordered this, I just left it in the package for a little bit because I was so busy and I forgot what count that is. All right, I'm just gonna do it fast. Okay, so you can see the picture right there. It's so beautiful. So we have in this one 118 colors. It's usually displayed like on the bottom right here. This is 118 colors. This is like what number thread that is, just like 1 2 3 in sequential order. And this is the first column is the color of the thread and the symbol and the DMC equivalent. So Painting Fairy, they do their own threads, so they paint their own threads. I should say dye their own threads, and they use Italian technology to do that. And it comes with like I took it out already. Yeah, it comes with certification of the threads and everything, so it's pretty self-explanatory. And there are some blends. So if there is a blend, they'll have one symbol, and you have to get one strand of this thread and one strand of that thread. Yeah, so 116 colors, 118 colors is a good amount, and I love it. So this is actually 18 count. No, I don't even know. This looks like 14. But I do think it's probably a 16 count. Let's look at that, you guys. Besides all these threads in there, they also included extra just in case you run out. Just look how gorgeous these threads are, and they're labeled kind of like Dimensions does in their kits. They put the little string there. And so this is a 16 count canvas. I have not noticed it earlier. I was holding it upside down, and look how nice the printing is. The more confetti it is, the better it's gonna look. But not everything is confetti. There are some parts of this chart that have just like one color like that, and they're numbered right here. And also there is a chart on the side of this canvas, just like on that paper. And you don't have to pull the paper out, but it's more helpful because the symbols are small and it's a lot easier to see it on here. Yeah, this canvas is pretty big. This is the floss, and this is a very good high quality floss. This is Egyptian cotton, and they do have their own production of threads. They use Italian technology, and it's Egyptian cotton. So they, right here in this kit, there is 5 pellets, and these are plastic organizers. So they just list the DMC number right here, and this right here is peelable. You can probably use in printer paper, the one for labels, and just put your own and then write over it like that. But just look at these colors. So this purchase was inspired by all the blooming of the beautiful jacaranda trees that we have in Long Beach. And look how much threads we have. This is like more than a pound of floss, you guys. So look at that. Don't you just love those colors? They're just like eye candy. I can just pet them all day long. And they always come with a cute little ribbon, almost like a girl's braid. Alright, you guys, that's it for this review. I see you in the next video. Make sure to like and please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.